Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your music sound muffled on CapCut. So select the audio or extract audio from a video, then you are going to go to voice effects. You are then going to go to retro, and here are a few of the effects that you can choose from. You are probably just going to choose megaphone for this if you want the music to sound very muffled. So select megaphone and select the checkmark button, and that's basically how you can make your music sound muffled on CapCut. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!